is out at
Morning, Your Honor.
Charlie, you out at sea? You're shrimping?
Yes, sir. I got a job for HEB getting shrimp. So
All right. Okay, folks, we're going to call the docket for
Can you go get this
Friday,
to Roman?
February the 25th.
The attorney.
You're not muted, Linda.
Y'all do me a
No.
favor. Everybody get muted until I've called on you so that we don't get interrupted in the call of the docket. First of all, checks case 533716, State versus Gerardo Valderas. Is he up to date?
Yes, sir. He came in this morning, made a payment, and I've already reset him.
Good, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
535470, State versus Dominic Martinez, attorney Mark LaHood.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Morning, Mr. Martinez.
Good morning.
Mark LaHood is not here. Stick around, sir.
Okay, thank you.
603-209, pardon me, 205, State versus Joshua Baxter, attorney David Cuellar.
Present, Your Honor.
Is that Mr. Baxter or Mr. Cuellar?
This is David Cuellar here for Mr. Baxter. He should be getting on.
And Mr. Baxter, where is he?
I gave him the Zoom address. He's always here, so I expect him to be logging on any second now.
This matter has been before the court 23 times. I expect this to be resolved one way or the other real quick.
Your Honor, just an update. He's been accepted. He's been deemed eligible for the mental health court. So we're trying to get everything resolved so that.
Mental health court, all right. Stick around, we'll resolve it. 611-787, State versus Frank Aceves, attorney, Rochelle Acevedo. Frank Aceves is marked absent. Rochelle Acevedo. No response. 6377499.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm here, Frank Aceves. I guess my attorney is not here.
That's what I said.
Oh, okay.
She's not here at this moment. Stick around, Mr. Aceves.
Okay, thank you.
637-799, State versus Jose Salgado Canete, attorney, Ivan Barrera.
Judge, that's going to be reset because the paperwork wasn't ready.
All right. 640455, State versus Joanna Bailey, attorney, E.Q. Lee. I understood Ms. E.Q. Lee is no longer on the.
Yes, and I didn't mark her out, but if she comes on, I have a new attorney for her.
All right. And at this time, Joanna Bailey is absent. 644-204, State versus Trenton McGlynn, attorney, Andrew Fraley.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
Hey, so Mr. McGlynn, I see him. You have to unmute yourself. He's
Mr.
here.
McGlynn. Mr. McGlynn, I'm going to mark you absent unless you respond, sir.
I'm here, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
There we go.
That's all right. I know how it is with these computers.
Judge, we have it. This is an MTR. We have an agreement. So if we just do paperwork, we will be ready to go.
Very good. And Mr. Fraley, this thing lists, the docket lists him as a fugitive, meaning there's a warrant. Is that out of this court or something else?
It's out of this court, Your Honor. But I believe if we dispose of the MTR, that should take care of the warrant.
Like we will. Okay. And thanks, sir.
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
Next page, 64712, State versus Destiny Garcia, attorney, Ivan Friedman. Ivan Friedman is not responding, nor is his client. Destiny Garcia is absent. 648403, State versus Jesse Fernandez, attorney Yolando Arguelles. Jesse Fernandez Jr. is absent at this time. Rolando Arguelles, likewise. 654010, State versus Rayfus Foley.
Judge, Mr. Arguez is present in the courtroom. He's right here, sir.
Hi, Your Honor. Mr. Fernandez was going to be a reset judge. I spoke to Ms. Flores about that already.
Okay. That's on the prior case. That's on the Fernandez.
Yes, Judge.
sir.
Now, was there an announcement on Mr. Foley?
Mr. Foley is going to be reset because of paperwork not being ready for the plea.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
On Mr. Fernandez, is he in the courtroom or is?
Mr. Fernandez is not here, Judge. I spoke to Ms. Flores yesterday so we could reset
Yeah.
that case.
Okay. Then Deputy, who are you referring to when you said they were in the courtroom?
The attorney, Mr. Arguez, was trying to speak with you in regards to Mr. Fernandez, but you didn't hear us, Judge.
Okay, that's all. Okay, we got it all squared away. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
654536, State versus Edgar Garcia Escobedo, attorney. Rolando Arguelles.
He's present in the courtroom, Your Honor. That's the one I spoke with you this morning that we're going to have to reset for an interpreter.
All righty. Then we'll
And all the
read-
paperwork has been turned in for the plea.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you both. Ms. Flores, make note that we need to set it up with an interpreter.
Yes, sir.
657466, State versus Maria Ramos Espinosa, attorney, Efraín Torres.
I'm present, Judge. I'm not sure about Miss Maria Ramos.
Efraín?
I'm present, Judge.
All right. And is she here?
Judge, I'm not aware.
As of right now, she's absent.
Thank you, Judge.
657996, State versus Mike Garay, attorney, Michael Belleville.
It's going to be reset, Judge. The plea paperwork not ready.
Thank you, ma'am. 660154, State versus James Hassel, attorney, no attorney. James Hassel, as my Japanese friends would say, Hassel. James Hassel is absent.
Linda, can you please give me host?
Going on to page 3. 661012, State versus Ricardo Hernandez, no attorney. Ricardo Hernandez
I'm right here present in the courtroom, sir.
in the courtroom. Thank you. Mr. Hernandez, have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
And what are your wishes or your intentions? You need an
I
attorney.
had talked to somebody about getting a court appointed attorney, and they never called me back or nothing. The last time I was here.
All right. Stick around. Ms. Flores will be talking to you after a while.
All right.
662690, State versus Christopher Cuellar, attorney, Griffin Hill.
Judge, that's going to be reset. Plea paperwork not ready.
Thank you, ma'am. 664505, State versus Juan Amaya, attorney.
Mr. President, Judge, I believe Mr. Meyer should be there in the courtroom.
It's right here, Your Honor.
Thank you. That's going to be.
Except for a plea today. I'm not sure if we've got all the paperwork done, but I think so.
Yes, it's all done. It's ready.
We're ready to plead, Judge.
Thank you. 666861, State versus Paul Vasquez, attorney, Joseph Stateson.
Reset paperwork not ready for the plea, Judge.
667919, State versus Priscilla Carrion, attorney, Jesse M. Gomez.
Same with that one, Judge.
668193, State versus Michael Boteo, attorney, Cornelius Cox. Michael Boteo is absent. Cornelius Cox likewise. And on the page 4. 670-426, State versus Brandon Nava, attorney, Brian O'Donnell.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Nava. Brian O'Donnell?
He's running late. He's at jail court.
Okay. Actually, he's not running late. He's in jail court.
Yeah.
Thank you. 671-419, State versus Gilberto Garza, attorney, Ivan Barrera.
Reset paperwork not ready for plea, Judge.
All right. 672-115, State versus Ramiro Lopez, no attorney. 672-115, State versus Ramiro Lopez. Ramiro Lopez is absent. 673-052, State versus Sharon Houston, attorney Cornelius Cox. He has not magically appeared. Sharon Houston is absent. 675-598, State versus Juan Resendez, attorney Raimundo Aleman.
That one is at 1:30, Judge, for a plea with an interpreter.
So noted. Add-on. 611-483, State versus Laura Ann Blackburn, attorney Brent de la Paz.
Good morning, Your Honor. She's present with counsel. Believe all the paperwork has been accepted and ready at your convenience, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That one is ready for plea.
613-476, State versus Juan Moreno, attorney Efrain Torres.
Judge, that's going to be a plea in person at 1:30.
With Spanish interpreter.
Correct, Judge.
Alrighty, thank you. 650-061, State versus Eric Becerra Infante, attorney Efrain Torres.
Judge, I'm here. So is Mr. Becerra. Can I confer with the state?
I beg your pardon, what's the last part?
Can I please confer with the state?
It's coming across garbled. I couldn't tell what you said.
He wants to confer with the state, Judge. I already put him in a breakout room.
Very good. You're number one to confirm. 666-162, State versus Eric Ruiz, attorney.
He's present with counsel, Your Honor, in the courtroom, and we're ready to move forward with the plea today.
Very good. 669-539, State versus Paul Velez. That's Todd Coronado.
We're present, Your Honor, and I believe we're ready for a plea if y'all have the paperwork.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Judge, disregard the next one. It's on the docket.
All righty. 672-978, State versus Derek Bass. Attorney is John Charles Bunk.
I'm present for Mr. Bass, Judge.
Is Mr. Bass present?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Yes,
Good
Judge, he
morning.
is.
And what do you want to do, Charles?
Judge, I filed a motion. Mr. Bass is requesting permission to go live in St. Louis with his family while these cases are pending. As you're aware, he's got several felonies, which are sadly for him much more potentially harmful than your case is. And we're waiting for those cases to reach resolution, but it's going to be a while, I'm afraid. So he has
All right.
a bad living situation here that I'm trying to get him out of. And his family in St. Louis would love to have him there. So that's all we're asking for.
I think I saw that motion. I just wanted to hear it. Or I may have already granted it. One way or the other, I will grant it.
Okay, that's all I have, Judge.
Okay, Charles, take care and stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
You're both
Eric, I'll call you.
Okay, I can get off.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys, that's the docket for today. Those that are ready for a plea, it is 9:21. Let's take it up at 10 o'clock. All right, any attorney need to check in now?
Judge, may I approach, Your Honor?
Who is seeking to approach?
Judge, I had a Destiny Garcia. I believe she's in Bear County Jail on some new felony cases. She's got 4 pending felonies.
How about giving me a case number?
I'm sorry, Judge. Hold on.
47712 on page 2, Judge.
Page 2. Okay. There it is, Destiny Garcia. You think she's in jail, do you?
Yes, I know that she picked up 3 new possession cases. I think it was last week. And
All right.
it doesn't look like she's found it out.
She's got 3 unindicted felonies, so you want a 60-day felony pending a reset?
Please, Judge, I'm not her attorney on these new cases, so I need to confer with that attorney.
April 22nd.
All right. Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend.
You too. Stay safe. Anyone else need to check in? Attorneys.
Your Honor, this is Michael Botello.
Good morning, Mr. Botello.
Hi, good morning. I had internet troubles and I'm finally able to call in.
Sure. I know we called the name.
Six eight 193 on the bottom of page 3, Judge.
Michael Edward Botello. All right.
Yes, sir.
Your attorney, Cornelius Cox, has not appeared. Mr. Botello, stick around for a while and we'll see when he gets here.
Yes, sir.
Next person to check in. Hello. anybody?
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sorry, Judge. Christopher Cuellar.
Who's it?
662-690 on page 3, Judge. Mr. Cuellar, your case has been reset to plea on March the 16th.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was for today.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am. I apologize. All right. Well, thank you, guys.
You're welcome. You were set for today, but we can't take it unless the paperwork is ready before the court date.
Yes, sir.
All righty, sir.
All right. Thank you, guys. Stay blessed.
Keep in touch with your attorney.
Yes, sir. I will. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Judge, while we have a second, this is Andrew Freilich. I have a Trenton McGlynn. We have an agreement on an MTR. I believe this is his second. So you should have paperwork in the file. Do we need to redo waiver of appeal on that?
I don't think so. I'll just, all right, we're just gonna do the paperwork.
It's up to you, Your Honor. If we need to do it again, we can. If you want to just rely on the paperwork previously submitted, we have no problem and no objection to that. There is some documentation I'd like to share with the court. So with your permission, I think I'm going to email you that documentation.
That's fine.
Oh. So are they withdrawing?
Andrew?
Sir?
You're one of your favorite clients.
No.
I recused myself and I assigned him to County Court of Law number 2.